Tariffs explained like buying imported shoes. All right, picture this. You walk into your favorite store. Right in front of you, boom, the perfect pair of sneakers. Stylish, comfortable, imported from Italy. You check the price tag. $120? Not bad, right? But wait, a few months later, you go back for the same shoes, and suddenly they cost $160. What happened? That, my friend, is a tariff in action. Let's break it down. A tariff is like a tax, but not on you directly. It's a tax the government slaps on goods coming into the country. So, if those Italian shoes are being imported into the US, the government might charge an extra fee, say $30, just for bringing them in. And guess what? That extra cost? It's usually passed down to you, the buyer, the person dreaming of those sleek leather kicks. So now, instead of paying $120, you're paying $150 or even more. Not because the shoes got better, but because of the tariff. But why do countries use tariffs in the first place? Simple: protection. It's like giving your local shoe companies a fighting chance. If Italian shoes are cheaper and cooler, local brands can't compete. So, the government makes those imports more expensive, hoping you'll buy local instead. It's a bit like this. Imagine two lemonade stands. One kid uses lemons from next door. The other imports exotic lemons from across the world. Without tariffs, the exotic lemonade is cheaper and tastier. But if the neighborhood decides to charge a fee for importing lemons, suddenly the local kid's lemonade becomes the better deal. Tariffs shift the balance. Now, here's the twist. Tariffs can start trade wars. Think of it like this. If the US puts tariffs on Chinese electronics, China might retaliate by taxing American corn. Now, farmers suffer. Then, the US might hit back with more tariffs. It escalates fast. And consumers? We get stuck in the middle, paying more for phones, shoes, food, you name it. So next time you hear the word tariff, don't just think politics. Think shoes. Think of that moment when you reach for your wallet, wondering why your favorite sneakers suddenly broke your budget. That's the real-world effect of a tariff, dressed in leather and laced up on your feet. This is Finance Compass, guiding you through money matters that actually hit home. Stay smart, stay curious, and hey, maybe wait for that shoe sale.